Namaskar, welcome to MOHUA'S kitchen.
Today I'm going to share my mom's recipes of coconut और मम्मी का प्यार.
Namaskar. I will make coconut sweet. Let us make coconut
Let's move to the first recipe, that is coconut sandesh. For this we need grated coconut. I have taken here one big size coconut grated, and that came around 2.5 cups of coconut, grated coconut. Into it mom is adding 1 full cup of sugar into it and mix it well. See the way she is mixing. And she told me one thing while grating the coconut, avoid using the brown portion. See, she is removing the brown portion if left any. She says that if you remove the brown portion, if you don't remove the brown portion, then the coconut sandesh will be a little bit of brownish in color. So she makes it completely white. So she always tries to skip the brown portion. Now she told me to add 1 cup of milk, and see, she's just kneading it with her hands. My mom says that the more you knead, the more oil from the coconut will release, and the sugar will melt in your by the warmth of your palm, and the milk and the oil of the coconut and the sugar, this will mix together and give a very good taste. Now switch on the gas and place the kadhai into the gas stove and stir it continuously till the milk and the water that releases from the coconut evaporates. I have taken 1 black cardamom and 2 green cardamoms. I'm going to take out the seeds and crush it into powder, and I will add this into the coconut and mix it well. Remember to stir it continuously. It will take around about 20 to 25 minutes to cook in slow flame, and keep on stirring in between. Don't leave it, otherwise it will burn. It seems it has been done now. To check, my mom is taking a small amount of coconut into a plate, and see, she is making a round shape. When it holds the shape, yes, see, it has hold the shape, and that means it is done. So now she will switch off the gas and she will take out in a plate. You have to make the sandesh when the coconut is hot. Don't let it cool down. You have to cover it and take a small amount, and see the way she is doing. Make round balls. And I have some wooden dies. So see, these are the dies. So my mom is going to place it in the dies and give a shape. If you like my videos, please do subscribe my channel. It's completely free. Do press the bell icon, like, and don't forget to share with your friends. You can now follow me on the social media, and for more recipes follow me on my Facebook page, Orchid Bakes and MOHUA'S. My mom made all the sandesh, and see how beautifully she has made, and it tastes really amazing. Do try it once. And now the second recipe comes, tender coconut pudding. With the same recipe you can make 3 sort of tender coconut pudding. So here comes the recipe. For this recipe we need 2 coconut, and the flesh of the coconut and the water too is needed. So after cutting the 2 coconuts, I will take out the flesh and the water. I have gathered here around about 600 ml. Just strain out the water so that there is nothing left inside the water. And now I'll take a pan and pour the coconut water into it. And if you find your coconut is sweet, as my coconut was sweet, so I added here 2 tablespoons of sugar. And if you find your coconut water is not that much sweet, then you can add sweet according to your taste, sugar, and mix it well. And now I will add agar powder, which I have bought. You will get it in the stores. Agar powder I have added here 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon. That means 1.5 tablespoon of agar powder. See, this is the powder. It comes in form of powder. It comes in form of grass, China grass, what you say. This is a substitute for gelatin, as we are making it for veg, so it is veg agar-agar. My coconut water is boiling, and now I will pour half of the coconut water into a bowl and freeze it for 5 minutes. And the leftover coconut water, I have placed it on the stove in slow flame. I will take the flesh of the coconut into small pieces and try to remove the brown portion from the coconut, and now I will make it a paste into the mixer jar. We need a coarse paste, not the smooth one. Now I will add the coconut, coarse paste coconut into the kadhai, and I will add sugar around about 2 tablespoons, as my coconut was sweet, so I have added here 2 tablespoons of sugar, and I have added here 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of agar-agar and half a cup of coconut milk, which I have bought from store-bought coconut milk. You can add fresh coconut milk too, and mix it well, and then switch on the gas. And now I have switched on the gas. When it starts boiling, at that time I'm going to transfer it, take out the bowl from the freezer after 5 minutes. See, it has set, and now I will add this hot coconut puree to it slowly. From the corner you pour it, because the corner sets first, so pour it from the corner, and again it goes into the freezer for 5 minutes. If you have time, then you can make it layer wise. If you don't have time, then you can make it in 2 layers, and this again goes into the freezer. It's like third recipe. With the same recipe, I'm going to make another one. I have taken the flesh of the coconut, tender coconut, and I will make thin slices of the tender coconut, and I will take a bowl and add the coconut water which we have made with agar-agar, and see, it's hot, and I am pouring this into the bowl, and now simply just put the sliced coconut flesh, tender coconut flesh into it, and freeze it for about 5 minutes, and then it's ready to serve. Now I have taken out the bowl from the freezer which we have set with coconut water and the milk one. I will add few chopped tender coconut on top, and then again with coconut milk, and freeze it, and repeat the process as much as you like. And believe me, it tastes so yummy. Then once you make and you have it, the next time you will definitely make for sure, and impress your guest. And see, you can serve single portion also like this. I have made single portion, so on top I'm adding the coconut water, and freeze it, and then serve it in single portion. I'm sure your guest will love it when you serve this. On top, top it up with some coconut milk and serve it. If you like my mom's favorite recipes that I have shared with you, do comment me in the comment section. Thank you.